What's happening, viewers? Today I'm going to show you how to change the headlights on a 2014 Kia Cadenza. Stay tuned. These are the tools that you're going to need for the job. Brand new headlights and gloves. That's it. No other tools are needed. So if you're looking at the car, this is my passenger side. The light fixture I want to change out is that one. That's the light I want to change out. That's my low beam. That's my high beam. That's my blinker. So the light I'm having trouble with is the low beam right there. So in order to get to that, open up the hood. For the sake of this footage, I removed my coolant reservoir so y'all can actually see which light bulb I got to change out. Which now you should have a better view, which it's right there. Haha, there it is. So you're going to unscrew this. I get to do this one-handed holding you guys, so it might be a little shaky. I apologize. Alright, there's a light. Look down in there. This is the light we need to take out. All you do is just twist this downward, pull it out. There's the busted light. Alright, so this is the busted headlight. That's the plug. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in my new one, and we just do the reverse of what we just did right now. Okay, so the way you want to plug this back in, there is a wrong and right way, apparently. When you get your connector, okay, so the correct way you want to do this is there is a notch on here, on the light. See that notch right there? Notice there's not another notch. Make sure that notch places right here. So when I plug this back in, the lights, that switch right here sits right back in that little notch. So that's all you got to do. We're going to slide this right back in that hole. And we're going to turn it till we feel it lock. And it has locked back in place. And that's that. We just take our trusty little lid and we're going to put it back on. Notice the lid has notches as well. It's got a notch there, another one. It's like 4 notches on there. So just try and match the notch up. So now they're all in place. Give it one good turn. That's that. That's how you change out the headlights on a 2014 Kia Cadenza. And there it is. Headlight works. So it is plugged in correctly. Have the car in the on position. Light comes on. And light is on over here as well. Alright guys, that is how you change out the headlights on a 2014 Kia Cadenza. If y'all have got any questions, please leave them down below. As always, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Till next time, peace.